plow guy here. Rough out here, but
snow, snow,
Snow, snow,
snow. It won't be long before we'll all be there with snow.
snow, snow. I want to wash my hands, my face, and hair with snow.
Snow, I long to clear a path and lift a spade of snow.
Snow, to see a great big man entirely made of snow.
Snow, where it's snowing all winter through, that's where I want to be.
Snowball throwing, that's what I'll do. How I'm longing to ski through the snow.
Those glistening houses that seem to be built of snow.
Snow, oh, to see a mountain covered with a quilt of snow.
Well, still have my Christmas decorations up. Even though it's January, I'd like to do that. And well, lo and behold, folks, you can see here the decorations. And well, look at this little winter wonderland. Yeah, some people out and about. There's a little bit of a blizzard, but kitties out running around. But anyway, not too bad. Not as bad as 1996. We had another 3 feet of snow. My car was buried for 3 days. But let's put it this way. Back then, 30 years ago, the Yankees won the World Series, so we could only be so lucky this year. Ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, boy. I don't know. Future's going to want to go out there today, folks. Pretty rough. No future. Look at that snowdrift, baby. You feel that wind? It's like a wall. Look at that snow pile, baby. Come on, I don't think so, baby. I don't think it's wise for a kitty. No. This is the pretty good winter storm here, folks. Yeah, look at those, huh? Yeah, I mean, it's rough out there. Not fit for man or beast or crazed creature. Stay indoors. That's right, baby. You stay indoors and go back to sleep. Yes, return you to your regularly scheduled blizzard.
this is such a greatest idea to go to Rocky's Deli in Millwood. This blizzard. One out there. Got it. Rocky's is open 365 days a year, 24/7, including blizzards. Whee! Dog sled not available. They wouldn't come out, the doggies. My kitty hit him, but well, check out that hill, folks. Check out that hill. This is Campfire Road, in case you're wondering. It might be here in Chappaqua, or as telemarketers call it, Chappaqua. Let's go slow here. It's easy. Slow and steady wins the race. Let's hope that no one's coming down that hill. Won't be Santa a few months late. For him, he's dinner ready. And we got a nice gun club coming up here, so that's all about. Not easy. Not easy. But lived in Connecticut for years. Got used to that. We got snow cam. We got snow cam! Oh, Mama! Woohoo! We got made up the hill. Made it up the hill. Not easy driving, but so far so good. Almost froze my arm off there, hanging out the window, but not too shabby, just slow, nice and easy. Suave, I just learned in Spanish, suave.
Nieve is snow in Spanish. And here's the gun club. Name is Gun Club. So, anyway. Nice and easy. Here we go. Be safe and sound in your house wherever you are watching football today. Well, snow day is not so bad, folks. Got the football here. I wasn't able to get firewood in time, so just had to go with makeshift heater. Lovely fireplace. Happy holidays to all of you. And now, on to the next phase after the blizzard. Oh boy, shoveling. Well, let the snow shoveling begin. Oh no, not the abominable snowman here. Oh boy. Yikes. It's like Mount Everest. Oh no. This is gonna take forever. Forever.
Houses that seem to be built of snow.
Snow, oh, to see a mountain covered with a quilt of snow. What is Christmas with no snow?
No white Christmas with no
Snow, snow. I'll soon be there with snow. I'll wash my hair with snow.
And with a spade of snow, I'll build a man that's made of snow. I'd love to stay up with you, but I recommend a little shut-eye. Go to sleep and dream.